Are you dreaming of experiencing life in a vibrant East Asian nation? South Korea offers a captivating blend of rich history, modern innovation, and delicious cuisine. But did you know that it also presents exciting opportunities for foreigners seeking work experience abroad? To embark on this journey, you'll need a South Korean work visa. Your key to unlocking the doors to professional growth and cultural immersion in this fascinating country. A work visa is an official endorsement stamped onto a passport, granting a foreigner permission to enter and work within South Korea's borders legally. Securing the right visa is crucial for a successful and enjoyable working experience. This guide will equip you with the essential knowledge to navigate the South Korean work visa process confidently. Whether you're an aspiring English teacher or a skilled professional in your field, understanding the intricacies of South Korea's work visa system is paramount. This guide will serve as your compass, leading you through the different visa types, requirements, and application procedures, ultimately bringing your South Korean work dream closer to reality. South Korea offers various work visas tailored to different professions and skill sets. Each visa type comes with its own unique set of requirements and conditions. Familiarizing yourself with these distinctions is crucial for identifying the visa that best aligns with your employment goals. The E2 visa, also known as the Foreign Language Instruction Visa, is the most common type for individuals seeking to teach English in South Korea. This visa caters specifically to native English speakers from eligible countries, allowing them to share their language skills and cultural knowledge while experiencing life in Korea. On the other hand, the E7 visa targets skilled professionals and specialists possessing expertise in high-demand fields. This visa category aims to attract global talent to contribute to South Korea's rapidly developing economy. Whether you're an engineer, researcher, or IT specialist, the E7 visa could be your gateway to a rewarding career in this technologically advanced nation. In addition to the E2 and E7 visas, South Korea offers other work visa categories, such as the D8 for investors and entrepreneurs, the D9 for those engaging in international trade, and the C4 for short-term work assignments. Understanding the nuances of each visa type is paramount for determining your eligibility and ensuring a smooth application process. For many, the journey of working in South Korea begins with the E2 visa. This visa is specifically designed for native English speakers eager to teach English as a foreign language in various educational settings across the country. From public schools to private academies, the E2 visa opens doors to immerse oneself in Korean culture, while making a tangible difference in the lives of Korean students. To be eligible for the E2 visa, applicants must meet specific criteria. Holding citizenship from one of the designated countries, possessing a bachelor's degree from an accredited institution, and demonstrating a clean criminal record are fundamental prerequisites. These requirements ensure that E2 visa holders possess the necessary qualifications and character to contribute positively to South Korea's education sector. Beyond the basic requirements, applicants must also secure a teaching position at a recognized educational institution in South Korea. This involves undergoing an interview process and obtaining a signed employment contract from the hiring school. The employment contract serves as a crucial document during the visa application, verifying the legitimacy of the teaching position and the applicant's employment terms. Remember, fulfilling these specific requirements is essential for a successful E2 visa application. Section 4. Attracting global talent. The E7 visa for skilled professionals. South Korea, a nation at the forefront of technological advancement and economic growth, recognizes the invaluable contributions of skilled professionals from around the globe. The E7 visa, tailored for this purpose, serves as a beacon, attracting individuals with specialized knowledge and expertise to contribute to the nation's continued development. To qualify for the E7 visa, applicants must demonstrate a high level of proficiency in their respective fields. Possessing a master's degree or higher in a relevant discipline, coupled with significant work experience, is often a prerequisite. Moreover, the applicant's skills and expertise should align with industries deemed crucial for South Korea's economic growth, further highlighting the nation's focus on attracting top-tier talent. The E7 visa application process involves a thorough evaluation of the applicant's qualifications and potential contributions to South Korea's economy. Applicants must provide detailed documentation, including educational transcripts, letters of recommendation from previous employers, and a comprehensive resume showcasing their professional journey. This rigorous screening process ensures that E-7 visa recipients possess the skills and experience necessary to thrive in South Korea's competitive job market. Section 5. The Visa Application Process, a step-by-step guide. Embarking on the journey of obtaining a South Korean work visa requires careful planning and attention to detail. The application process, though straightforward when approached systematically, involves several key steps that must be completed accurately and thoroughly. The first step involves identifying the specific type of work visa that aligns with your employment goals and qualifications. This requires careful research and understanding of the different visa categories and their respective requirements. Once you have identified the appropriate visa, you can proceed to gather the necessary documents. With the required documents in hand, you can initiate the visa application process through the Korean embassy or consulate in your home country. It is crucial to schedule an appointment in advance, as walk-in applications are typically not accepted. During the appointment, you will submit your application form, supporting documents, and pay the applicable visa fee. Following the submission of your application, you may be required to attend an interview with a consular officer. This interview serves as an opportunity for the embassy or consulate to verify the information provided in your application, assess your eligibility for the visa, and address any further questions or clarifications. Attending this interview well prepared and presenting yourself professionally is crucial for a successful outcome.